Okay, welcome once again, trader. Um, Before now, we've done video on how to be able to place trade on MT5 and MT4, how to use the MT4, MT5 platform very well. Okay, so this platform I'll be using to analyze the market since it's not MT5, it is TradingView. So in this video, I want to show you how to set up your TradingView, how to be able to use all the necessary tools that you'll be using. Okay, and then how to be able to perfect all the time frames, the interface, and how to also log in. Okay, so let's go to it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go to Google. You can use browser. So I'm going to try TradingView. You can see this is TradingView now. Okay, so let it load up. I can use the TradingView platform, which is downloading TradingView, or I should just use the browser. But for me, I love the browser because the browser is not heavy. Okay, so but downloading might be a little bit heavy, and I know I want to switch from different websites to another one, so that's why I love the browser. Okay, so this is the first interface you're going to have. Now you can come to this level and then you log in. Okay, you log in just like you want to log into any other platform. I think my network is a little bit low today, slow. So you can log in, just use your mail and then log in. Okay, so after that, if you have after logging in, what you need to do is to go to product and then super chat. Okay, you can see product and super chat. So this is what you are going to have. I'm going to have interface like this. So I want to help you to set it up very well. What I'm going to do first is I want to remove this volume. I don't need it. Okay, that's what I want to do. Let me just continue with this. So you can continue and then you verify later on your mail using your mail. So this is it. I've already logged in. Okay, let me continue. So you can see I want to remove this volume. I've done that, and I want to go to any pair of my choice. Let me just search Euro USD. You see that under all, or you go to Forex. Either you go to all or Forex. Okay, so let's look at Euro USD. This is Euro USD. My chart is always black and white. So if you want to do that also, you can do that. Another thing is all these tools. You have to come to this place. Okay, this trend line, you can see I start trend line, horizontal line I start it, horizontal ray I start it, parallel channel I don't really need it. So let me go to the next one. This one is Fibonacci treatment level, Fibonacci treatment extension. Okay, so you start those ones that you need. Head and shoulder pattern, I start it. I used to use Elliott wave, so I start all Elliott wave. For your sake, you might not really need it. Long position, that is if you are buying. If you are selling, bars pattern, this is all what you need to start. And then range, I use this one to calculate price in pips. Okay, so then you also need the text triangle parts to be able to predict the market. I don't really need this. I used to use it before, and then I think it remains text. Yeah, so we have all the text call out and text image if you want to do that also. So that's basically how to go about that. You can see this is Fibonacci treatment level. Okay, so let's go straight to setting up the chart. You just go to setting. You can just right click or go to setting up here. Okay, so there's a setting here. What I want to do is I want to change this body to black. Okay, I'll change the two body to black, right? Then the border I will change. Okay, I'll change the first body to white and then the second one to black. Then every other colors there will turn to be black, and that is what we have the primary ones. If you like black and white like myself, this is what you are going to have. Okay, so then I have everything sorted out already. You can see others will be black, just the first one will be white and black. So then we have this if you want to do that. So another thing you can do is to go to up here and then start the time frame that you need. I do not need all this one, so you can see all the time frame I need to be able to have it here easily. And then if you want to do analysis, you can use this for support and resistance. You can see, just come here and then you'll be able to have all your levels marked up. You can see the network is really bad. Okay, so that's basically how to go about it. Okay, then you can change time frame from the lower time frame to the higher time frame, and everything will be easy for you. So another thing you should be able to do is probably you want to journal your trade, or you want to also save. You can see all the lines I did before. You want to journal your trade, you can also change the colors, just play around with it. Now, if you want to join your trade, or you want to send your chart to someone or to me while learning, what you can do is just come to this photo icon. You can see what I do is I just copy it and then I paste it on my that WhatsApp, anyone you want to send it to. Okay, and if you want to join your trade to link, you can just say a copy link and then save it where you want to save it. Okay, so those are the basic things that you need to know about this platform. Okay, so let's look at what Euro USD is doing currently. Network has really been bad. We can see that Euro USD is on the bullish side, so at least you'll be expecting to buy to this place, and then you can see how I mark up my level with it. You can use this to mark up your level because it's a zone, and you can also use horizontal line to mark up your levels. You can see that we have the trend line also for trend. Okay, so you can change the color and all of that. So this is just to put you through on it. Thank you. See you in another video.